The Premier isn't ruling out changing the laws to keep one of Queensland's worst sexual predators under surveillance. The government is waiting on urgent legal advice about whether it can appeal a court decision allowing Robert Fardon to live freely in the community. Tegan George explains.
Attorney General Yvette D'Arth is running out of time to keep notorious sexual predator Robert Fardon from vanishing into the community.
Days. It would be days. It's certainly weeks. We don't have weeks.
The government is waiting on urgent legal advice about whether it can appeal a decision not to extend his surveillance order. Now 69 years old and suffering emphysema, the court ruled there is a low risk of him committing a serious sexual offence in the future.
We need to look at every possible avenue to keep this bloke off our streets, out of our community.
The former Newman government rushed through new sex offender laws in 2013 in a bid to keep the serial rapist in jail permanently, but they were ruled invalid.
Our advice was that we could not win it in the High Court. Full stop. End of story.
The know-it-all Attorney General had all the solutions and all the answers. He now has complete egg on his face.
Now Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk needs a solution and isn't ruling out her own attempt at changing the law.
Let's get the legal advice first. We're not going to preempt that. I want the best legal advice from some of the best and brightest minds in Queensland.
Whatever action the government takes, it'll need to make a decision fast. Robert Fardon's surveillance order expires in exactly 5 weeks on October 3rd.
Right now, this has got to be my priority, getting this advice.
But nothing is off the table. Tegan George, 10 Eyewitness News.